Okay, now we're going to look at use case 3, share with multiple users from your Active Directory. So I'm going to look at my tenant manager settings here. I'm going to go up to my folders and I'm going to try and share my pictures folder with a set of Active Directory users. So the way we do this is we click this little menu. We say publish as team folder, add collaborator, existing user group, built-in group, all AD users. So I'm going to click that. There they are. Now in folder permissions, there's nothing there. I've not changed anything else. Okay, I'm just going to save. Now back in the dashboard, I click users and I'm going to create or migrate user in my local Active Directory. I'm going to use this test group and then continue after adding the 3 users. I'm going to uncheck this because I don't need to email them. This is just a test. And I'm going to give them read-write access to pictures. That's all I need to do here. I'm going to go to Internet Explorer and log in as one of those users. Nice, and there's the pictures folder, and there's the shared photos. So now, as an Active Directory user, I've been given access to something that was shared. Alright, so now let's go to use case 4. Right. So in use case 4, I want to request a file from someone. So here I am, I'm John Doe, logged in as the manager of this tenant. Let's go to my files. Now I'm going to create a new folder. We'll call this City Pics. And instead of sharing the usual way, I'm going to request a file. Give a simple password. This password will be shared through email, text, or by phone. And I want to let them know what files I'm looking for. So I check my email, and there's the link. We click that and type in that password. Now I'm going to drag my city files over there, upload, and that's it. So I'm going to close that. Now let's go back to Chrome where we have our tenant manager account. Go back to the file browser and then click CityPics, and there they are. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to request files from CentreStack, even from a user that isn't part of CentreStack, and they can send them to you securely, and then you can take a look at those files and share them with others. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give it a like and share it with others if you think it'll be useful for them. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.